How to order checks from Fidelity. Step-by-step guide, okay? First things first, you need to basically log in to your Fidelity account. Go to fidelity.com and sign in. Then you need to go to the check ordering page. So click on accounts and trade, and then select the transfers and payments option. Then you want to look for the option that says order checks. Okay, go ahead and click on this. Then you basically need to select your eligible account. So choose the Fidelity Cash Management account or a brokerage account with check writing privileges. And if your account is eligible, you'll basically see the option to order checks. Okay, then you basically need to confirm your details and place the order. So verify your name, address, and account information. Select the number of checks you need and submit your order. And then you basically just need to wait for delivery. So Fidelity provides checks for free, and they typically arrive within 7 to 10 business days. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.